Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ngaon ta?
Here's our first thing today. What is this?
Milk tea.
It's a milk tea. Sabot.
What do you do with it?
Unsay buhat
Can they read the back before they open?
Kasabot mo sa likod, unsa ninyo pag kasabot mo sa instruction?
Yabo dire.
Iyabo diri.
Gambok ng tubig.
Butang ng tubig.
O kayon.
O kayon.
Bukang bul.
Butang
Bula.
bula. He understands the picture.
The pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Up next,
Wow.
this is from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah. It's bubble tea. It has instructions. So one packet is the mix and one packet is the bubbles. So it tells you how to put it together. There's the scissors if you need. And a spoon. Yeah. What does it smell like? Kumut? Baho?
Init na ha?
What's the smell?
Unsay humot jik?
Bula.
Ha?
Moto bula.
Humot og bula. Sige.
Bula.
Tantay ha kainit. Ngalig baho ang bula?
Oo, nani.
Sige. Kami na ni Kuya Chris sa instruction.
What's the next step?
Ikaw man nimo, imong giyabo dayon,
Ikutaw.
gikutaw,
Ibot ngan.
ha?
Ibot ngan.
Butngan?
Supposed to put over ice.
Butangan pag ice. Uy, tara pa oh.
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 Ice. So we have ice here.
Naway man.
Tarang ice oh.
Baho? Go ahead. And then we have ice here. Do you want to shake it, Jake?
Sige.
Put your hand on top.
Gutangin diri sa bawo. Ano? Ano lang pakilid-kilid lang.
Hold the top. There you go.
Kanina naman balik.
Ikaw yung butang sa kuan.
So then now open and you can pour into this cup and then put balls on top.
Can you open it?
There you go.
Tunga mi.
Go
Yeah.
ahead. Pour.
Sige.
There you go. Keep going.
Sige. You want to shake it? Shake it. Go. Pull the upper portion. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
There you go.
You might want to open this up.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Hard.
It's hard.
There you go. Now you pour it in. Perfect. And then you put the bubbles in.
Yeah. Careful. Tara.
Yeah, pour on top.
Sige.
There you go.
Yurot ni ti.
Lagi.
Sige. Jik is just excited. Pour it, pour it.
Napa.
Nana.
Napa.
Okay. Have you had milk tea before?
Nakasuway na mag milk tea? Taon na? Oh, si Carlo, nakasuway na. Inana og
Ikaw
timpla?
na say.
Sige, ikaw na po. Timpla.
There you go.
Gapo gud.
Have you guys had bubble tea before?
No,
Milk tea
Milk tea.
Oh, milk tea, yes.
with bubbles in it?
Like na yung mga boba.
Boba.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you tried it.
Oh, they're fancy. You've had it all.
Yeah.
Here you go. Now, go ahead and try it.
Sige. Try it, eh. Kakayanin mo. Sige. How does it taste? You have to... Sige.
Dami.
He's thirsty. Lami.
Dami.
From 1 to
Lami?
10. Pila ang grado ninyo? 50.
50.
Oh, more than the
Wow.
chips.
50.
50. Ikaw lang?
55.
55. Who wants it higher? Those look like grapes or raisins.
It's like gulaman. on the bottom.
Gulaman. How does it taste? Can you explain it? Katimutia. How do you explain the taste of it?
Limot ko.
Kalimot ka? Para about you, Ruby?
For me, it's like just
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Regular milk tea.
Okay.
So you can sell it outside. Ikaw ate? You just same. You just want to taste it and drink it.
Do you want to eat the balls from the bottom?
Come on. Sige.
Bula. Dili. Wa mo ni.
Nasa ubos.
There you go. Yep.
Matagak.
Here, hold the cup so you don't spill. There you go.
Sige.
Yeah.
Carlo na sad.
You don't like?
Ice.
Jelly.
Ha?
Jelly?
Jelly?
Jelly, yeah.
Nga naman tong naong nga. Nga naman tong naong nga, Jake.
Nga ako bugnaw.
Because of the ice.
Cold.
Yeah.
What do you think of scale of 1 to 10?
8, 10.
8, 10. I thought it would be 8,
10.
10.
For me, it's like 100. 100.
She likes the milk tea.
Yeah.
I like this.
The
The
boba.
boba, yes.
Okay.
Huh.
Nice.
Yes.
I brought some extra of these so you can take one home if you want, have later.
Sige. Go. Duha ka? Jelly.
Yes.
Do you like the jellies? Do you like? Okay. Jake, have you had milk tea before?
Naka-milk tea, nakasauna.
Oh, wow.
Really?
These guys are arty.
Ay, Kisa may nagpalit sa milk tea. Mama. Ah, their mom bought some milk tea.
Next, there's your hot water. Be careful. There's your spoon. And then we have this.
Okay.
What is that?
Here's the scissors.
Swiss miss.
Swiss Miss.
Swiss miss.
What flavor?
Diba?
Milo.
Milo? So chocolate? Okay.
Good.
Ante flavor? Ante flavor?
Ne?
Huh?
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Murag pinakatay.
Murag
Fantasy.
pinakatay.
Marshmallow.
We've got this. What are we looking at here?
What's the name of it?
Swiss Miss.
Mm-hmm.
The flavor. What's the flavor?
Fantasy Mallows.
Fantasy mallows.
Fantasy. Okay. Have you had anything like this before?
No.
No.
Okay. Here's the scissors if you want to open it up. And the water is very hot. The cat wants some. What does it look like?
May marshmallow din ay asukar.
Marshmallow. Lami kilawon. They want to eat it like just like that. No water.
Nani di sukar.
May sukar daan. May sukar.
Na asukar.
Yeah.
Sige. Pero nga ko ang...
Hindi nabot na guys.
Ha?
Hindi nabot na
Ilan
guys.
mo na ice? Ilan mo na yung ice?
Init.
They like it with ice.
You like it?
Dalanay.
Yeah.
You don't like it hot?
Dalanay ng marshmallow.
Mabanay, may did na.
In America, this is called hot chocolate.
Okay, hoy.
Okay. What does it smell like?
Milo.
Milo? That's what they said. Yeah. So normally we drink this hot. So it's like in winter when it's snowing, like at Christmas, and it's cold, you drink this hot.
Okay.
Good. Or you want to have some ice in it?
Ice.
Ice.
Ice. Try the marshmallows. Get some of the drink too.
Okay, Carlo na sa.
Lanay.
Lanay?
Kuha.
Lemon.
Ate lang siya. Mawagtang nagalit.
Lamay? Nalanay? It melts in their mouth daw.
Uh-huh.
Ah, ilang gatas. Wala na, nahurot na.
Try a little sip hot. Kind of blow on it. What do you think? No? You don't like?
Like.
You like it? Okay. There you go. Now he's trying the chocolate.
Lami?
Edit.
Dili na.
Dili na? Dili na init?
Lamig na.
Bugnaw na?
Do you drink Milo hot? Is that,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah? Okay.
In the morning.
Ah, okay. What do you rate 1 to 10?
15.
15? Okay. 20.
Unsa may parihan niya nga lami anak?
Milo.
Milo?
Choco gatas.
Choco gatas? Bear brand? Oh,
Ah.
Bear brand. Choco
Okay.
gatas. But I think they like this one with ice more.
Mm. Most coffees are better with ice, so. makes sense.
Very maarte. Look at her hands.
Ah. Is it better cold?
Lami? For ice.
Wala na yung marshmallow.
True.
They really like the marshmallows.
Should have brought more marshmallows.
That's why they were like asking,
Uma na
do you
na.
have two
Kaya ka ng kape.
cups in here? Oh, they're drinking all of it.
Mm.
Look at him drinking
There
all
we
of
go.
that. They're drinking like,
Have they roasted marshmallows?
naka-try na ba ko na mga ang marshmallow dangdang sa kuan sa kayo? Wala. No. Si Kuya, si Uncle Chris, naka-try
Yeah.
na ba? Have you tried it?
Yeah.
Basta mag-snow.
Basta mag-snow.
In the snow, yeah, you eat it and then it gets black and you pull the skin off of the marshmallow.
Lako ng paing.
Oh, ang paig. Like the outer portion.
Yeah.
Then ang sud ilang kanon.
I think he understands you right now.
Oh,
From 1 to 10, pila in yung ranking?
10.
10.
10.
Mm.
Okay.
Ikaw, Ate Ruby?
10.
10 sad.
Mm.
They're starting at high.
The boys went to infinite earlier, so.
Yeah. This was the infinite, I think. Unsay pareha niya nga lami? Like the
Milo.
same.
Milo.
Oh?
You like Milo better?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
No, they're saying that it's the same,
Oh,
flavor
same as Milo.
with, yeah.
Ah.
Pero asa mas lami? Kana or ang Milo?
Kani.
Kana?
Okay. Because it has marshmallow in it. Like,
Mm.
it's my first time drinking hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Oh. But it's not hot right now. It's already
Yes.
cold. Because you put some ice. Ikaw, Ate? Is it too cold for you?
No.
No? It's just delicious?
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.